today we'll be replacing the incandescent Ford Ranger and Everest puddle lamps for the STEDI LED. So in the box we have a pair of puddle lamps and you'll see 2 wires. This is a really simple installation and will only take a matter of 30 seconds per lamp. So all you need for this install is 2 screwdrivers. If you have a really close look underneath, you'll see a tab toward the rear of the mirror. All you need to do is just get 1 screwdriver under that tab, just the other one gets under the lip of the puddle lamp, and that'll pop out. Some are really firm fitting, so you may need to just pop under the other side and that'll literally just fall out. So on the back here, the wires aren't very long, but you'll see a white and a black one. The white one is your positive, so that needs to go to the red on our STEDI lamp. So if you want to do it as you go, you can. And then undo the black one and put the black to black. So installation is just the reverse. Get the forward side in first, and then you just put some pressure on the back one, and that will just click into place.